Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a rear brake caliper on this 2003 Chevy Silverado 1500. If this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up button, really helps me out a lot. This will also be the same as the GMC Sierra. Okay, first thing we're doing, jack up the vehicle, take the wheel off, loosen your lug nuts before you jack it up. So the first thing we're going to do is come back here and we're going to take this bolt and that bolt out, and that holds on the caliper bracket. So we've got one of the bolts out and we're almost out with the second one. So before we take it all the way off, we're gonna take this bolt out, which connects to your brake line. But to keep all the fluid from running out while I change it, I'm just gonna put these needle nose vice grips on the rubber hose here, and just basically keep it from bleeding all the brake fluid out. You don't need to like crazy pinch it, just, you know, get it so it's not going to run out. So I might tighten that up a little bit, but you can see it doesn't, you don't need to do a lot to keep that from running out. All right, so at this point I took out the second bolt, and you're just gonna, I'm gonna stick a flathead screwdriver in here and just pry this brake caliper off, and then we'll start swapping things out. All right, here's our new one next to our old one. So we're just gonna pop these brake pads out. They just slide out of here. Kind of hard with one hand though. And then I'm just gonna kind of clean these up. You can see there's kind of some brake dust and stuff built into that little groove. I'm gonna kind of dig that out. Just kind of clean it up. If you want to replace the whole rotor and everything, pads and stuff, that's great. It's a good time to do it. I'm going to have a link in the description below to some Amazon products where you can get a new caliper, pads, rotor. Like if you wanted to change this rotor right now, it's a good time. Basically just slides off of there. There is a parking brake underneath this though. But at this point, we're just basically swapping these pads and then putting it back together the way you took it apart. When you're swapping your old pads in here or putting your new ones in, don't forget to put in your brake hardware kit here. This one just pushes down in here, and these two just slide in here and then pop on like that. You can see how they kind of clip in right there. Remember, you're gonna have to bleed your brakes after you're done with this. Basically you're just gonna open this bleeder screw right here after everything is reconnected. Open the bleeder screw, have someone push the brake pedal all the way to the floor and hold it. Close this screw and repeat that until you're not getting any air bubbles coming out of this bleeder screw. So hopefully this video is helpful. Again, if it did, smash that thumbs up button. Comment below with anything, just say super helpful or whatever. That helps the YouTube algorithm. And thank you for watching.